Oh, there's so many stresses. This game is gonna freak me out. I have a basketball obsession. It's really embarrassing.
Kendall, can we get ready for the Met Ball?
It's the NBA final.
Yeah, great.
So I want my butt to feel like it's just like scooped in here. Does that make sense? Like you can go like pretty tight. I'm good with tightness. Is that, see how that's rippling? Yeah. Is that because we pinned it?
Hey, that way.
Hey! We were like, he's gonna answer the phone, he's gonna be like, what's up? It looks so beautiful and like sleek.
The pads and everything's good?
Everything's perfect. It's so rad. Yeah, it'll be awesome. I love it. Thanks, Virg! They scored!
How many Met Balls have you done? Just
This is 5.
5 of us.
How crazy.
What was the first one? Who did you wear?
I went with Topshop. It was cute. It was 5 years ago.
It was really cute. Were you so excited?
I was really excited. It's really happening. Look at you. You look so fly. You look really different.
This is the best. Oh, that's a photo.
Bye, guys.